McLaren confrontée à des turbulences après la collision au GP de Singapour 2025.
The Singapore Grand Prix of 2025 witnessed a tense opening lap incident involving McLaren teammates Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri. On the first lap, Norris attempted an ambitious overtake which resulted in contact with Max Verstappen's Red Bull before colliding with Piastri. The incident immediately drew attention to McLaren's team management and raised questions about the effectiveness of the so-called papaya rules aimed at preventing intra-team collisions. Observers noted that both drivers were eager to assert their championship credentials, leading to a high-risk maneuver that ended in on-track chaos. The collision left fans and analysts debating whether such aggressive tactics are sustainable within the context of team strategy. McLaren, however, classified the incident as hard racing, allowing both drivers to continue without internal sanctions. The team's decision reflects a commitment to a competitive environment, though it has sparked discussions on balancing team safety with individual ambition. In the days following the Singapore collision, Oscar Piastri voiced concerns over perceived favoritism by McLaren towards his teammate Lando Norris. According to reports, fans and commentators have highlighted a series of team decisions that seemingly benefited Norris during the championship run-in, prompting Piastri to question the fairness of McLaren's internal policies. Legendary racer Mario Andretti weighed in on the situation, suggesting that the team may have unintentionally placed Norris in a preferred position, which has intensified speculation over potential bias. Piastri's statements underscore growing tensions within the team as he seeks clarity on strategic decisions that may impact his championship prospects. Analysts have observed that this public airing of grievances is rare in modern Formula One, illustrating the intensity of intra-team competition and the pressures drivers face at this level. McLaren has publicly addressed the situation, acknowledging the difficulties in managing the relationship between Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri as the title race intensifies. Team principal Andrea Stella noted the challenges of balancing competitive freedom with team cohesion, emphasizing that maintaining drivers' trust is a top priority. Following the Singapore incident, McLaren initiated an internal review to examine team protocols and ensure that both drivers can compete fairly while minimizing risks of on-track incidents. The review aims to maintain a transparent and harmonious environment, particularly as the championship battle reaches its crucial stages. McLaren CEO Zak Brown reinforced the team's philosophy of allowing drivers to race freely, highlighting the importance of competitive integrity while simultaneously managing intra-team dynamics. The ongoing review is expected to provide guidance for handling future incidents and improving communication between drivers and management. Amid rising tensions within McLaren, discussions about Oscar Piastri's future in Formula One have intensified. Reports indicate that the Australian driver's management has explored potential opportunities with other teams, with Red Bull emerging as a notable option. The speculation has divided commentators, with some suggesting that a move could offer Piastri a more favorable environment, while others caution that remaining at McLaren may still provide competitive advantages. Analysts point out that such high-profile intra-team disputes often catalyze broader discussions about driver contracts, team strategy, and championship positioning. The coming weeks are expected to be decisive in determining Piastri's career trajectory, with fans and industry experts closely monitoring negotiations and official statements from both McLaren and interested teams.